I've got some great news to share. It has to do with channel milestones, one of the questions you guys have been asking, and the invitation for the Spring Kitchen Vignette. Let's get started. The first piece of news I want to share is that I have reached the 40,000 subscriber milestone. Hooray for me! I thought I would never get there. I am so glad that I have reached that mile marker, and I want to thank all of you for helping me to get there. So I will be hosting a giveaway and a week-long celebration in April. Why in April? Because in April I am launching the Apron Diva. That is my apron shop, and people have been asking, when can we buy aprons? Send me your link. So the Apron Diva is going to launch on April 11th for pre-orders, and the link will be in the description box below. So click on the link so you can be the first to know about that information. And so during the week of the Apron Diva launch, we will celebrate the 40,000 subscriber milestone for This and That with Denise. So there'll be some fun giveaways. So be sure to come back for that. And my other news is that I am hosting a Spring to Clean collaboration. And in this collaboration, there will be 10 other YouTube creators, each of them showing you spring cleaning tips and tricks from their homes. And they are all homemakers, different seasons, different stages of life, but homemakers all. And you will learn something from each of them. So be sure and check back for that. And that's going to get kicked off in April as well. So the first video will drop on Monday, April 5th, and then the other videos will drop on Sunday. So be sure and come on back and check all of those YouTube creators out. Some of them may be new to you because they are young homemakers and fairly new in their YouTube journey, and some of them are well established. So I am really looking forward to this awesome collaboration. And then, of course, there is the invitation for the Spring Kitchen Vignette. And for those of you that follow me, I host the Spring Kitchen Vignette every season. And I have to tell you guys, this spring is going to be so special. Let me show you what I got. Do you see this? This is a rosemary plant. I can plant it outside and like grow rosemary, but it is much too cold in this area to put anything like this outside. We typically don't trust like not to get frost until after Mother's Day. So I shouldn't even be thinking about live greenery, but I so wanted to play in the dirt. I just needed something fresh. I think I'm getting COVID fatigue. I've been in the house for so long. I'm just so excited that spring is here. So for this Spring Kitchen Vignette, let's focus on something that's going to be green or bright or make you think about life returning. Just whatever that speaks to you. And for me, to see things begin to pop up, to shoot up from the earth is that. Now this one I'm going to put over on the counter, so I've got a little bit of greenery growing here in the kitchen, and then I can pinch on it as I need to for cooking. But that's not what we're supposed to be talking about right now. Sorry about that. So what do you need for the Spring Kitchen Vignette? Well, if you follow me, you know that the kitchen vignette needs to be portable because your kitchen counter or your kitchen table is prime real estate. You need those areas to be able to prep or work or serve your family. So whatever you create needs to be on a tray so that you can pick it up and move it should you need to. The other thing is you need to have some kind of greenery in it, and the greenery can be your choice. I already know I'm going to put some kind of an herb in mine. Now it's going to be a faux herb because where I put my kitchen vignette doesn't get any light. So it'll be a faux herb, but there's going to be some herb growing in that, well, faux herb going on in that Spring Kitchen Vignette. The other thing is you need something with words on it, and you get to choose how those words are manifested. It could be words on a cup, a plate, a book, a card, whatever you choose to do. It just has to have words somewhere. And that's it. So that's it. It's got to be portable, so it's got to be on a tray. It must have some kind of greenery in it. You can include some kind of a flower if you like, and then you need to have something with words on it. And there is no twist this time, just something that speaks to spring for you. And I already told you what mine was going to be. And then the video upload date is the 23rd. So let's see. That's Tuesday, March 23rd. And we're going to upload our videos at 2 p.m. Eastern. And please don't upload your videos early. We're going to all upload them at the same time so that we can get traction together. If you want to upload late, you can. But be sure to use hashtag Spring Kitchen Vignette 2021 in your description box. And then that way, in case something goes wrong with the playlist, I can capture your video and I can add it myself. You'll also want to include Spring Kitchen Vignette 2021 in your title somewhere. You don't have to include the this and that with Denise Jordan, but you do need to include Spring Kitchen Vignette 2021 in your title, just so we'll all be connected. And you are perfectly welcome to use this and that with Denise Jordan as one of the tags in your tag box, but also be sure to use the hashtag Spring Kitchen Vignette 2021 in your tag box as well. So that way they'll make sure we all get linked. To see other seasons of the Kitchen Vignette, click here. And I will also link the Winter Kitchen Vignette and the Fall Kitchen Vignette in the description box, just so you can kind of see what people have done. Keeping in mind though that you do you. And if you can do it no spin, then it's all good. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you're not done yet until you click on the link in the description box and sign up to be on the email list for Apron Diva. And I will see you next time.